Let's start with what the data shows. A recent study found that 88% of Google results contain little or no AI content. Only 12% use significant AI assistance, and just 3% are fully AI generated. That tells us two things. One, Google is not drowning in AI content. And two, unassisted AI content underperforms. What works best is AI-assisted, human-led content. At O8, we've been through every major shift in SEO over the last 15 years. From backlinks to mobile to voice search, we've helped brands adapt and win visibility. Now search has changed again. Today, it's not just about ranking on the first page of Google or Bing. It's about being cited by AI overviews and AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, or Perplexity. There are two sides to this new reality. Answer, engine optimization, or AEO, makes sure your brand shows up in Google's snippets and answer boxes. Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO, makes sure your brand is cited directly in AI-generated answers. Think of AEO as being quoted in a textbook. GEO is like being quoted by the AI tutor your buyers are actually asking questions to. But here's the key. Neither AEO nor GEO work without the right foundation. You need a content strategy rooted in buyer questions, high-quality structured SEO content, technical SEO and schema markup, reinforced brand signals like reviews and expert bios, SME-driven insights, and constant monitoring and iteration. This is what turns content from just another page into something AI can parse, trust, and cite. Our process is built to make this simple and scalable. It starts with our growth map discovery call, where we identify your goals and visibility gaps. Then, we align strategy with your subject matter experts, turning their insights into structured, authoritative content. We set up a shared Notion hub so your strategy, briefs, and timelines stay clear and visible. Then, we engineer your content to be modular, citation-friendly, and mapped to brand signals AI engines are trained on. And finally, we monitor where your brand is being cited, how often, and how accurately across both Google and AI platforms. The outcome? You don't just rank. You get cited. You become the brand that AI tools trust enough to recommend at the exact moment your buyers are deciding. If you're still optimizing only for page 1, you're behind. Let's get your brand into the answers. Book your growth map discovery call, and we'll show you exactly how to bridge the gap between traditional SEO and AI search visibility.